G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 altcoins to buy right now to make a heap of money in 2025. If you like the sounds of that, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So coin number 5, guys, we've got Bittensor. It's priced at $561 with a market cap of 4.1 billion. Bittensor is a machine learning network, and it's essentially the Web3 version of AI. And what Bittensor has created is a global decentralized artificial intelligence network where people can contribute, train, and use AI without relying on centralized companies. And AI has become more integrated into our everyday lives, and the demand for projects like this has been absolutely skyrocketing. Now, AI has been one of the hottest narratives in 2024, and this is a trend that I expect to continue. And Bittensor is hands down the leading AI project for artificial intelligence. And my price prediction for this coin is around $3 to $5, which is a 6 to 10x from here. Now, when we take a look at the price chart of Bittensor, we can actually see that we've come down to some very key levels of support. We've actually bounced exactly off of my blue box here, which was a very key level back here in December where we put in the previous local high. And this level has also acted as resistance and previous levels of support as well. And when we take a look at some of our indicators like our momentum waves, we can actually see that we're printing a bullish divergence. Now, this is when the price action is going lower, but your momentum waves are actually getting higher, and this indicates a loss in momentum to whichever wave of momentum was going, and often signals a heavy reversal, as we've started to see as we've broken out. Now, as Bitcoin goes up, I'd be expecting Bittensor to reach back up to these previous all-time highs, back at around that $7.25 mark very soon, and then be able to break out and put in some more highs. Now, guys, coin number 4, we've got Constellation Network, and the ticker for this coin is DAG. Priced at 6 cents a coin with a market cap of 176 million, this coin is extremely undervalued and is a low cap gem in my opinion. So the Constellation Network uses a DAG structure for scalable, fast, and low-cost transactions with a proof of consensus mechanism. This is ideal for the Internet of Things, data marketplaces, and enterprise solutions, and they're powered by their native token, DAG. Now, one thing I like about this coin is they're also partnered with the United States Air Force, which is an absolutely massive partnership, and not many cryptocurrencies have partnerships with the United States, which is absolutely massive. And I'm expecting this coin to continue to grow and do very good returns in the future. Taking a look at the chart for DAG, we can see as well that we did have a descending level of resistance, and we actually broke out of that level and we retested the bottom of it as an ascending level of support, where we've now been able to break up to the upside, and we've so far come up exactly to this level here, which has been a previous level of support and resistance. So I would be expecting soon for us to actually get a bounce from this current level of support, which we can see here, which is also a very key level where we can see price has previously reacted to many times. So once we can get a bounce off of this, I would be expecting to break through this level and start making its way up towards those all-time highs. Now, guys, coin number 4, we've got Aerodrome Finance. So priced at $1.55 with a market cap of 1.1 billion, Aerodrome Finance is the leading decentralized exchange and liquidity provider on the Base ecosystem. So Aerodrome allows stakers to receive a share of a protocol's trading fees, and in the past 90 days, Aerodrome has actually generated more revenue than every other decentralized exchange combined, and it's the 5th largest revenue generating chain, only just behind Solana, which is absolutely huge when you think about the size of Solana's market cap at close to 75-80 billion, and Aerodrome Finance is only at 1.1 billion. This coin is extremely undervalued. Now, taking a look at the chart for Aerodrome Finance, we can see that we have bounced off of a very key level of support, which is this level just here, which was a previous level of resistance, now flipped into support. And what happened was we pretty much came up exactly to the previous all-time highs up here, but we weren't able to break through this level, and we saw a correction as Bitcoin also corrected as well. But with our momentum waves extremely overbought, almost hitting the -80 line, we're now looking for a big move to the upside as we get these momentum waves starting to curve to the upside, as well as the money flow also starting to look like it's about to go in the green. I would be expecting Aerodrome to come back up to these all-time highs and eventually break it on its second attempt. Now, my price target for Aerodrome Finance is $20 to $25 this cycle. Now, guys, coin number 2. Sticking with the Coinbase theme here, we've got Brett as coin number 2. So priced at 14 cents with a market cap of 1.4 billion, Brett is the leading meme coin built on the Base ecosystem. And as the Base ecosystem continues to grow, you can expect Brett to follow as well. Now, recently, meme coins have been extremely undervalued and have underperformed compared to a lot of our other narratives, which is why I'm actually expecting meme coins to explode in a bigger way, especially when the markets turn around. So my price target for Brett is $10 to $12 a coin, which is a 10-12x from here. So taking a look at the chart of Brett, we can see that we've pretty much come down and retested our accumulation zone. So here was our accumulation zone here, where we were pretty much ranging in the sideways range. Well, what did we see? We saw our first impulse out, and we've come down and retested that impulse, which is a wave 1 and 2. And as well, when we take a look at our momentum waves as well, we can actually see that we're printing a bullish divergence. And this is when our price action is getting lower, but our momentum waves are actually getting higher, which signals a change in the momentum. Now, taking a look at our Elliott waves for a second, we can see that all we've had here is just a simple 1 wave impulse, a wave 2 correction, and now we're looking to put in that wave 3, 4, and 5 to the upside, which I would be expecting to take us up to some of those higher price targets. Now, guys, coin number 1, we've got ICP. So priced at $12.24 a coin with a market cap of 5.5 billion, ICP is definitely a coin I would keep on your radar for this bull cycle. Now, for those of you who don't know, ICP is essentially trying to decentralize the internet and be the first ever world computer. Now, ICP's chart looks terrible. The truth about this is the reason ICP's chart looks so bad is it was from manipulation by FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. So during the peak of the last bull run, ICP's price was artificially inflated and dumped, which caused massive fear and uncertainty. However, ICP has some of the best technology in crypto, and its technology is honestly groundbreaking and could change the way we use the internet. So taking a look at the chart for ICP, we can see that we've had a very clear breakout and retest of our accumulation zone. And this is a theme that you have probably noticed with a lot of these coins now, how we've had that breakout come down to retest the previous levels of resistance, now flipping them into a base of support, where we're now looking to get that next breakout to the upside. And what is the next level I would be targeting? Would be this level here, around $31. Now, flipping over to the daily chart for a second, when we take a look at the momentum waves, we can see that we are very oversold for ICP, and these momentum waves are looking like they're starting to curve to the upside, as well as having our money flow in the green, which indicates the longer term trend of this coin. So I would be expecting some decent upside for ICP in the short term, at a minimum back up to these previous local highs, but we could be targeting some higher price ranges, potentially up to that $30 range, and the next level above that would actually be at $89, and that is a price target that I think ICP can easily hit this cycle. Now, my price target for ICP this cycle would be upwards of over $100 per coin. Now guys, that's pretty much all I've got for this video. If you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like some one-on-one coaching with me to learn how to trade or how to get started investing in crypto, message me on either Instagram or Twitter. And if you'd like to purchase my top 10 picks for 2025, the coins that I believe will make you the most money and be the most profitable, you can purchase my list. Just click on the link below. And if you'd like to help support the channel in any way, I do have my Ethereum address in the comments as well. But besides that, if you want to get started with a cheap and reliable exchange, sign up for Binance and get 20% off all trading fees. And for Australian users, I recommend CoinSpot. Use my link in the description and you'll get a $10 bonus when you sign up. But besides that, I'll see you guys next time.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out. Bottomed out. Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out. Don't ever rise is deadish.
Bearish target, 13 times there.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go.